Hey guys, it's Jalen and this is my cousin
Althea.
and Althea, and today we're going to be doing animal impersonations. Do you want to go first?
No, I don't.
Okay. I'm going to do a cow.
I'm going to do a sheep, actually. Oh, okay, go.
I'm gonna do a mouse.
I'm gonna do a cat.
Yeah. A kitten. Okay. I'll do a I don't know, I'm gonna try a zebra. I can't do it.
That's weird.
How about a what? No, wait, no.
I'm gonna get the walrus.
I'll do a snake.
Okay, I can't do the noise because it's like really weird, but I can do the hedgehog flashing.
For what?
I'll wait.
You look like the Grinch's daughter. Get your spitty hands off of me. Okay. I'll be doing a... What should I do? A what? I can't do a tiger. Okay. You do a unicorn then.
Unicorn. Oh, I can do a cockatoo.
I'll do a peacock.
That's a weird peacock.
I can't do it very much. What are you gonna do?
I am going to do a cockatoo.
Cockatoo! I'm going to do...
That's how my little sister does it, actually.
I'm going to do a... Okay, so I am going to do an owl. Woo! 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 I can't do it. Woo! It says who? Who?
Hoot hoot.
Who?
Hoot hoot.
Who? Who?
Who?
Who?
Who?
Who?
Who?
Who?
Who?
Moo!
Moo!
What's another animal we can do?
A unicorn.
Unicorn? Unicorn. Okay, I'm gonna do a starfish. This is my starfish. Hold the camera for me as I do a loading. Jail's box. Okay.
Now that's a weird starfish.
Spider-Man!
Look at my nose. Oh, they can actually see up my nose.
Okay,
Ew, disgusting.
be quiet. I'll do a, well, I just had it in my head.
Squirrel.
You do a squirrel. I'll do a lizard. Here, here's a, forgot it again. Forgot it again.
No. I'm gonna take a nap.
Do a baby bear. I'll do a frog. Like a tree,
ribbit.
a tree frog. I can't do it. I'll try and do a bullfrog.
I know what I can do.
You gonna try something?
Yap.
A what?
Yap.
Here's a yak. Yak, yak, yak.
Yeah.
A bull. I can't do it. I mean, you can't. So what do you want to try?
I'm good.
Okay. Alright, well then. Here's my brothers. Pinch, poke. Wah, why? Give me. Here. Smack. Pinch. Okay, well, I guess that's it. Well, see you later.